How to replace your hub bearing. Got a humming noise, vibration, or your wheel shakes when driving? Yeah, that's probably your hub bearing crying for help. Too much play? Harsh grinding sound when spinning? That's a dead hub bearing. Wrench step 2. Strip it down or remove your wheel, loosen your axle nut. Take off the caliper and caliper hanger, 17 millimeters. Remove the disc/rotor. Don't forget that small 10 millimeters locking screw. Now you'll see the hub clearly. Gear step 3. Remove the old hub, rotate the knuckle to a comfortable angle. Unscrew the 4 14 millimeters bolts holding the hub to the spindle. Take your time, don't smash your knuckles. Once the bolts are out, pull the hub straight out. Spin it. Hear that rough grinding? That's the noise you hear while driving. VS button step 4. Compare old versus new. Place the new hub beside the old one. Make sure it matches, same size, same bolt pattern, same connector. Hammer and wrench step 5. Reinstall, reverse everything you removed. Bolt the new hub back with the 4 14 millimeters bolts. Torque properly, air gun or torque wrench. Refit the rotor plus 10 millimeter screw. Reinstall caliper, hanger plus caliper. Tighten your axle nut. Put your wheel back on light bulb. And that's it. Your car is now smooth, quiet, and safe again. If you found this helpful, like, share, comment, and follow for more mechanic tips. I drop videos like this every week. Don't miss out. Wrench Fire love you all. Bye for now.